What's up, guys? We can't go out riding because we've got exams and it's just a little bit tricky right now, so we're just going to do some tech videos. They take too long, we don't have to go an hour away to film, so, you know, just doing it in a garage.
So, here's a video on how to get your brakes to stop making that horrible grinding sound. First of all, you're going to need an Allen key. This will help you readjust the brake mechanism so that it no longer grinds. There's also another way of doing this by pushing the pistons back into the other side, but that's a bit too complicated for our dumb little minds. When you look at your brakes, you're going to see two different holes for Allen keys. What you want to do is you want to unscrew that just a tiny bit so that you can adjust where the brake mechanism is sitting. You can start adjusting your brake pads and brake mechanism so that your brake rotor is in the middle of the two pads and not touching. Finally, screw your bolts back in and you're done. You should hear no grinding, and you should do micro adjustments if you still hear grinding.